Unlock Black Myth, Wukong Deluxe Edition for free with funds, Zap. Hey gamers, imagine diving into the visually stunning world of Black Myth, Wukong without spending a single penny. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to get the Deluxe Edition for free using FunZap. Let's jump in. First, let's confirm the price. On Steam, the Deluxe Edition of Black Myth, Wukong is $99.99. That's a steep price, but don't worry, we're not paying that today. Here's where the magic happens. Head over to funzap.com. This platform is packed with exclusive coupons and discounts. Type in Black Myth Wukong in the search bar and select the Deluxe Edition coupon page. You'll see a section to show game code, but it's locked for now. Don't worry, unlocking it is super simple. To access the code, FunZap requires you to complete just 2 quick tasks. These could involve downloading an app or hitting a specific level in a game. For example, I completed 2 tasks. I reached level 9 on Travel Town and level 8 on Family Island. Pick the tasks that are fastest for you. Each task has clear instructions, and the apps may vary depending on your location. In total, it only took me about 5 minutes. Once you've completed the tasks, head back to FunZap and refresh the page. Click Show Game Code, and there it is, your unique coupon code. Copy that code, paste it into your Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox account, and voila, you now own the Deluxe Edition for $0. These codes are universal and work across all platforms. Quick tip, FunZap codes are limited, so don't wait too long. If this worked for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming hacks, and let me know in the comments if you scored your free copy of Black Myth Wukong. And hey, share this video with your friends so they don't miss out. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next one.